My name is Brandon Burton, and I'm the CEO of Securing Life, a financial wellness platform. I started this company in 2015, and everyone's discussion on their minds today is finances. How do we make more money? How do we save more? How do we invest better? And so I thought this would be a great opportunity to speak with Sean Allen. Sean is a former client of mine. I guess you would say still a client of mine. We started working back together as I was his financial advisor starting back, I think what, Sean, was it 2010?
Correct. A little over a decade ago. Can you believe it?
Wow. Wow. And so me and Sean got together recently, but we keep in touch quite often through phone calls. And I asked Sean to, try out Securing Life. And, Sean actually was featured in Forbes magazine. The article, said that, a millennial was able to get out of debt, roughly $34,000 worth of debt in roughly 9 months, was it?
Right, correct.
9 months. And then, by the end of the year, already was back on track, saving successfully for retirement and all these other things. And so we're really privileged today to be able to have Sean with us today. And what I'd like to do is I would just like to, learn from Sean, what were the things that he did that, got the interest of, let's say, a Forbes magazine, where they were impressed that someone could get rid of $34,000 worth of credit card debt in less than 1 year. And at the same time, still be able to successfully save for future and retirement, investing, 401k, and all that. So, Sean, can you say hi to everyone?
Sure. Wow, you really brought up some good memories from back in the day. I tell you, we go way back, and I really appreciate the opportunity to just be honest and talk about the experience. So, nice, long story short, 2015 was a very stressful year. Can I hop into it? Most people can relate with bills and debt, credit card debt. I had it all. And it was that year that it was very stressful. I was in my 20s and living like most would, right? I had a job, which is great. I started building up some retirement, which is good. Started going to Vegas and having some fun and buy a little clothes here and there. But what I didn't realize was I was really digging myself into this pit hole, this bottomless pit of expenses and long-term debt, credit card debt. I thought I was being proactive, Brandon, and I don't know if we talked in detail about it, but I thought I was being proactive by increasing my credit limit from 3,000, 6,000, 13,600 to 24,000. And each time I incrementally increased that limit, what happened? I started to spend a little bit more. It's, oh, well, I can spend 5,000 this month. I'm keeping my credit utilization under 30%, right? And so my limit was $20,000. My bill was 5,000 or 6,000. Oh, no problem. I'm doing okay. Credit score is going up. And then when it hit $34,000, and I would make $6,000-7,000 of payments per month, Brandon, it wouldn't even touch the principal.
Wow.
I realized that I needed a life change, not just a budget. I didn't just need to cut a bill here. I needed a life change, and I didn't really know where to start. I think that's when something happened where I was watching what you were doing in the news, LinkedIn. It was something where I was like, okay, the Securing Life, what is this platform? And I have a lot of mentees, folks that was looking up to me, because I was able to buy 1 or 2 small properties in the South, which is 10,000 down, right? So folks were like, wow, how do you do that? Brandon, I think I bought a property on a credit card at one point. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. At that time,
you can do that.
I did it, right? So these people are looking up to me and say, hey, Sean, I want to be like you. And in my mind, like, that sounds great, but I'm not in a good financial position. Well, I didn't even know what my financial position was. Going to business school, they teach us about corporate things like a a balance sheet, income statement, shareholders equity, right? I just have a business partner. I don't know all these, how this is really applicable. Actually, how is it applicable to my personal finances? And that's when I said, okay, Brandon's asking me to look at this platform. I can link my life insurance. I can link credit cards, my mortgages, the value of my property. I can link all this and I can get my own balance sheet. Am I the only one that really nerds out about this? Because this was cool to me. But what I found out was that being a college graduate and even a graduate school graduate with a business degree and as an engineer, that I didn't know much about personal finances. I knew income minus expenses equals profit, but I didn't know my financial position. And so that was the state I was in 2015. It was very stressful, but I had access to a tool that I didn't know the power of the tool yet until I started to give it a shot.
So when I met you, I told you, I said, you know, still to this day, you were one of the youngest individuals that I met who was so organized already with their financial life. So for everyone watching this, you know, Sean was a very already organized individual with his finances. What Securing Life did for him was it took all the guesswork out of everything, and it made it more efficient for him to see everything instead of him having to stop everything he does, go to multiple websites and whatnot, and try to piece it all together. So that obviously that helped you along your process, right? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. So actually, you're right. I was very organized, meaning, you know, I knew when all my bills were due. I knew how much bills I had. I knew when the money was coming in. I had created a spreadsheet, and the spreadsheet told me like a forecast, 60 days out. Here's all the bills due, and here's all the income coming in. Right? We get different forms of income. You know, you might sell something on Facebook and get income. You might do a service for someone. Maybe you wash their car. Maybe you babysit or whatever you do. I had the different forms of income coming in. So I forecasted. Then there's these other apps out there which didn't really work for me. I tried Mint, and Mint was good for maybe for budgeting, but it didn't really give me a snapshot of where I am financially. So when I downloaded the app, and for the first time I got a balance sheet, and I can see assets minus liabilities. Why does that matter? Because I identified there was bills out there that I forgot. There was liabilities that I had that I kind of forgot because it's out there, but it's magical until you see it on numbers. I can give you down to almost the dollar how much income was coming in per month and how much was going out, my net worth, the assets minus liabilities. I had a pie chart. It would give me a pie chart of where all my investments are. I didn't have to type it in. It just pulled it automatically from my 401k, from my, retirement funds, and, even emergency rainy day fund. It pulled it on, had a pie chart, had a balance sheet, had an income sheet, had a net worth statement. Who has these things? And it was free until I became a paid member. Still am today. Why? Because I get 5 or 6 folks who reach out to me and say, Sean, how do you do it? It's like, I'm not doing it anymore because now the platform does all the work automatically. I can log in at any time, and I can tell you that, and I did it yesterday, just in the month of January, my net worth went up $20,000 to $25,000. No, I didn't make extra money. It was the investments that are in there, and everything's pulled, updated almost automatically. So fast forward 6 years, it really helped me understand a snapshot of where I was financially, put together a plan. And this is all before even really working with a financial advisor. You can put together a plan, and you can start to find out, okay, here's the bills, here's the liabilities. Am I missing something? How do I track it? How do I improve things?
Right.
Print out a sheet, quarterly, monthly, yearly, goal planning. For your family, this is great for families. You can go to your family planning meeting and show them, this is where we are. What can we do? Where should we maybe buy the next property? Where should we rent while we, figure out the living situation? So for me, it really gave me a snapshot that I can plan, and I can knock out the debt credit card debt, student loans, whatever it may be. It allowed me to get things in order and know down to the dollar how order they were actually in.
That's amazing. So you're saying over, let's say 5 to 6 years, you used this and it made an improvement to the point where you've integrated it as a part of your, how you manage your, overall finances now. Is that what you're saying?
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah. I pull up Securing Life on probably maybe a monthly basis, right? I don't log in every day because you don't have to log in and add information every day. The information's been added for months to years. There's accounts up there that have been added back in 2016, 2017 that still pulls the information, right? So now when I log in, I'm kind of benchmarking. How am I looking with my goals? How's the asset building? What's the net worth statement looking like? Because those come in handy when we start talking about, let's get that family home, right?
Right.
Or I want to relocate to somewhere. Can I liquidate something? I've got a car note. How much is my car worth versus, the loan on the car note? You can do those calculations when everything's imported to Securing Life. So I still use it today, mostly for goal setting. And then when I do get a new account, I make sure I get it in there as soon as possible and get the right information in there so it can be tracked accordingly.
So you're like, it's something you'll use continuing moving forward.
Oh, definitely, definitely. And we talked a lot about finances, but there's also the retirement side that, often we have a 401k that we just, let it be managed by someone else or by the company. But for me, I can start to make decisions based upon information, based
Right.
upon the tracking.
Right.
I can pull reports. There's some other reports in there that I don't pull too often, but it can give you a breakdown of large cap, small cap, where your funds are invested. It can
Right.
give you cost base, right? So how much you put in versus
Right.
how much has grown. So we can get really into the investment side as well. But for me, I think that's what's going to be next is realizing there's a network side in the reporting that I've used a lot to get me to where I am today. But then there's the investment side. How much cash do you have? Credit card debt. How much your growth over time since you've had the account versus over the year to date versus monthly. You can pull reports. I don't know how many reports there are, but there's a lot, and there's several that I haven't even tapped into yet. So there's a lot of opportunity for me to continue using the app and use it for more like retirement investment planning as well.
So it boils down to, like, anyone can be in a better position if they're using financial tools like Securing Life, where you can budget your money and connect all your different accounts and get real-time data to help you make better real-time decisions, right? So,
Exactly.
and then paired with, like, obviously good advice as well, right?
Exactly.
And then, that paired together will lead to better financial results. Is that like what you would say you would like to share with everyone today?
Well, yeah, I think it's even more simpler than that. It's like driving through a tunnel and you don't know what's on the other side. Actually, you don't even know what's inside the tunnel. And so Securing Life gives you a platform so that way when you're entering that tunnel, you know everything that came in and everything that's coming out. And what's even better is when you're coming out and you have an advisor as well, then you're all together in a better shape. So from goal setting, from investments, from retirement, from monthly planning to quarterly to annually to family planning, it really honestly really makes it much easier in a nice layout visually, especially if you're a visual person. This is not to type up a spreadsheet and program things. It does all the work for you. You just print out the charts after you upload everything, and you can use it for whatever purpose you see fit.
Thank you, Sean, for spending time with me today and allowing me to interview you in regards to this. And so basically, I just want to say to everyone, if you haven't started using budgeting tools, aggregation tools for your finances, you're missing out. I think you'll really enjoy it. Nothing changes overnight, but if you're disciplined and you're trying to get better with your finances, or even if you're at a point where you're just trying to grow